He makes beats and tattoos. I got weed and zigzags, so we puff and we pass, dropping all these tracks so we can make some cash. Every step I take today is part of a bigger plan. My roots in this land, my branches to the sky. Like if I could, I think I just might get high tonight and record on sight. Care less about the fame, I'm just trying to live right. Rep my hood all day, then I party all night. Gotta be wrong, but it feels so right. Roots is on fire, foundation of my life. And if I don't make it, at least I try.
My roots is on fire. My roots on fire. My roots is on fire. My roots is on fire. My roots on fire. My roots is on fire. My roots is on fire.
South Pacific coast and Micronesia motion. Look me up, homie, king of the ocean, bounty of the sea. I eat full doses, pretty set of thing. I see full motion, sitting under the coconut tree, smoking on a big fat blunt. Sitting under the coconut tree, looking out at the horizon. Nature surrounding me, ain't no concrete jungle for miles. That's peace, yo, this rider. And you know this, Puerto Rican, Micronesian, I'll be coasting alongside Blaze, blizzing out.
My roots is on fire. My roots on fire. My roots is 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 on fire.
Hey yo, my roots is on fire, just like the tip of this blunt. If you're looking for Cali Kush, I can serve you with what you want. From that 500 a zip to the mom and pop blow-ups. Now I'm lounging on the island with the swisher and some flip-flops. Seeds are in the soil and my lights are shining bright. Living large in the 691 till I take that flight to the 310 where we stack dough and lay low. Talking about the next hustle everywhere we go. I got a sick flow, locked down, chained to the yard. Catching simple minds off guard and softening the heart. I'm a rebel kid crossed up, rhyming all gritty. From the tropical sunshine to your city.
My roots is on fire.